You have no idea how much Cartier screwed me, and the worst part about it is it costed me over 40 grand. In this video, you're gonna learn from my mistakes, and also we're gonna take you to our watchmaker, show you all the cool stuff that we got in and out for repairs, some of the cool stuff that's going out that we just sold, and some stuff that just came in. You're gonna watch a vintage watch dealer's life. We got this date with a very cute inscription, 1 year down, forever to go. This guy just did a case back engraving on this, and he wants to put a Hebrew day wheel in, and for some reason, whoever closed this case back messed it up. So we have to get it open. We got to do this onyx ellipse. This thing is a crazy piece. We have to get a new crystal made for this. This Royal Oak Foundation needs another service. For some reason, it's acting up. Extremely sus. You ready for business?
What do you want?
Remember this watch?
No.
You fixed it last time?
No.
2 times.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not working again.
Bullshit.
Yes.
No. Last time you bring it a different
It's
watch.
Ash.
Excuse me.
It's Ash. I brought this to you last time. First time I gave it to you. You fixed it. Second time you fixed it. Remember?
What happened? You drop it?
No, he didn't drop it. For some reason, it's just not working properly. This case back is shut tight. I think you're the only person that has the proper machine to open it.
How, like, was it threaded?
I think they put it on and misaligned the threads. You're not opening with your fingers.
Have you tried opening
I haven't tried it. 2 watchmakers have tried, they can't do it.
Hold.
Hold this?
Yeah, like with your life.
No way.
God is good, my friend.
Wow. That's crazy.
Oh shit.
Oh wow. Gasket's messed up. Alright, moment of truth. Is the movement even real?
Looking gasket. Let me see. Hey! Don't touch it with your fingers. Yeah, movement is real.
I like it for myself, that's the issue. It's so nice. So this is a really special piece. What makes this one so special is the fact that it has a tropical patina dial. What that means is basically the dial went from completely black to completely brown, which is really rare to see, especially on a red sub. And the red sub just signifies the little red Submariner down there. There's a great white sub, which is the 1680 same reference, and then the red sub. So seeing the red sub tropical is honestly not an everyday occurrence. So I might have to steal this from Johnny. Sold. We have something special. Came halfway across the world from a friend of ours, and actually one of my first followers. He is 5 years following us, so he sent me a pair of shoes. He said he watched the first podcast and he really loved it, and he didn't know I'm into shoes, so check it out. Thank you for the fire kicks, bro. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. You know, I've been collecting shoes since I was a little kid, and it's always nice to see. We're just doing a quick quality control to make sure that everything is 100% all original. We got this very beautiful and super thin Vacheron skeleton, 18 karat white gold, classic AP feather, white gold, blue sapphire hour markers, and pave diamond dial. Must lemon tank. Great piece. Piaget 9297 reference. Stupid oxidized buckle, like insanely oxidized. And the case as well, mint condition, unpolished, original strap and buckle. Chain bracelet ellipse, but the reason why I've never seen it before is because it has a white dial. Usually it's gonna be silver, blue, champagne on yellow golds, but never seen white, so pretty cool. And last but not least, we have this Rolex Cellini on an integrated bracelet. Really long bracelet too, this looks uncut. Now we get into the best part, the Cartier Benoit, the watch that I lost 40 grand on. Let's talk about it. This watch was sent to Cartier for one reason only. The crown isn't the right crown. It's a mechanical one, Cartier Benoit, and it has the diamond crown, and the diamond crown is only made for the special models. The diamond case, the factory sapphire model that we have in the safe, but not for this. So instead of asking around 47th Street and trying to hustle and trying to find it, I was like, you know what, let me send it to Cartier and make it easier. I wait 3 months, unfortunately, but it's not even the issue. The issue was, when I received it, there was a little crack in the crystal at 12 o'clock. And the lady there, very nice lady, I asked her, I said, it looks like there's a little crack in the crystal at 12. She's like, oh no, it was like that before when you sent it. And I was like, okay. So I get back to my office, I open my pictures from when I first got it, and the crystal was exactly in perfect condition. Not a single flaw. And then I see there's 2 screws missing in the case pack. And these are rose gold screws. Each screw is a couple $100. So I see 2 screws missing. I see the crystal scratched. Not scratched, I see it's cracked. which is at least $500 to fix, and takes 2 months. And the worst part about it all is when I open it up with my watchmaker, I see that the movement doesn't even want to get pulled out. It's stuck in the case. And after trying to get it out properly, we see that there's so much glue on the side of the dial. And I look at this watch and I'm like, wow, Cartier just screwed me for over 40 grand. A mechanical wind, rose gold, Benoit Allongé. But this is what happens when you send it to the factory. If you go to a local watchmaker that knows what they're doing, professionals, just like Johnny Shem Tov, that just opened up the case back and it took him 10 seconds. Some other watchmakers couldn't do it. But if you find the right people that can do certain jobs, you can get it done perfectly, the right way, and a lot more cost effective and time effective. Or you could send it to the main place. I'm not gonna call any more names for different places that have done wrong things. And then they take 3-4 months and they quoted me 10 grand to fix this thing. Before I got it back, before I saw the issues, they charged me 10. They said it's gonna be 10,000. I said, no, I don't want it. All I need is a crown. $300-400 crown. So now I'm gonna source it locally. And that's the issue, you know? So if you guys wanna learn from mistakes, please don't send your watch to the factory that you bought the watch from or wherever the watch was originally made from. Go to a good watchmaker, find someone that you trust. I don't care if it's me. Go to someone that you trust. You know there's a good watchmaker, you know that they will take care of your piece, and they will take care of it. They'll get it done properly. But please don't send it to the factory and get screwed, because it's not right. How are you?
Can I take a picture with Salami?
Oh yeah? This is the most chocolatey dial I've ever seen in my life. It's like literally the most perfect patina, chocolate brown, no flaws, like stupid nice piece. Can I touch it? Hey! Only a 47.
They going home.
Are they yours?
They mine's right now until they find their forever
Are
home.
they?
Sub is sold. I'm gonna go pick it up. That took like what, 15 minutes? All right, I'll pick it up. You go get lunch.